What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Welcome back to another episode of Dynasty Mode here on College Football 25. We are going to be diving in here playing Ball State at home for our third game. So let's get into it, baby, and see what we can get done.
Glad to have you with us from Las Cruces, New Mexico, and Aggie Memorial Stadium, home to the New Mexico State Aggies. You know, we love coming to the land of enchantment, especially when we have an enchanting game like the one in store today. What a matchup we have in store. It's still early in the season, but this is a major test for a couple of squads who've gotten out of the gate undefeated. As we'll see a squad from the MAC, the Ball State Cardinals, taking on a team from Conference USA, the New Mexico State Aggies. For EA Sports College Football, I'm Reese Davis, David Pollack, and Jesse Palmer with me. Guys, it's time to get it going. New Mexico State will kick it off and we'll be underway.
All right, let's see what we can get done here, ladies and gentlemen.
He thought about bringing that out for a half second, but he'll take a knee and they'll bring it to the 25. The Cardinals offense is on the field for the first time.
See what we can get done here. All
All
right.
defense is always going to be aware of a quarterback.
Let me see. Let's see. We'll be Edwards here, and we'll see what we can do with him. Get around the corner. Nope, that didn't. That was good. That was a good stop on our end. Let's see what else we can do. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do. Just try cover 2 man. Let's try cover 2 man. See what we can do on this side.
Trying things, right? Keep trying to get on the perimeter, run it up the middle, try different things to see what
Quickly to the
boom.
tight end. There to make the tackle, but the big throw is good enough to give them a first down.
All right, so that was.
Pick up the first down on the drag route. I know that seems like a simple route, but
Not
it's
so
actually
good.
a lot more complex than what it looks
Be all right.
Because that route changes based on whether it's man or zone. If it's man coverage, he's flying across the field. If it's zone, he's got to sit down over the ball in a soft
There we
spot,
go.
giving his quarterback
They
a
still got the
place
first
to go
down.
with it. Nice job of those guys being on the same page there.
Yeah, and way to be creative, way to get the ball in the perimeter really quickly, get some speed outside. All you got to do is secure that edge, and you're just trying to get that first down. Nice job, nice play call by the offense.
They'll give it to the back. And he has a solid gain before the defense bottles him up.
Really nice first down run, and you're seeing why this running
We're gonna
back
blitz
is an
the
everyday
crap
talent.
out of him right
He
now.
can run between the tackles. He can run outside. He can catch the football.
Let's see how
he
good
can
we do.
block. This guy can do it all.
Got the first down.
And already this guy is leaving his mark.
We're gonna
on
blitz.
this game. Opening drive, back-to-back runs. Where
We're gonna
he's
blitz.
found a
We're
way
gonna
to get
send
positive yards.
the
He was able to
house,
pick up the
baby.
first on
All right,
that
here we go.
last carry.
Let me
They
see.
should keep feeding him the football. The more success they have, it's going to open up the play-action game.
Back to throw, it's Kelly.
Oh,
Got him and nobody's close. And the catch and run into the end zone.
well, would you look at
Touchdown,
that?
Ball State.
Man, that was a huge mistake
Yeah,
on
and
our
he did
part.
a really good job selling this,
Oh,
dropping
man.
back to pass, waiting a
Uh-oh,
little bit of
we got
time,
turmoil
giving his
already.
running back a chance to run down the field.
All right, let's
He runs
see.
the real route, he's open, throws a strike, gets in for the touchdown.
And he's got the extra point, and it's 7-0 to start this one. About to kick it away after scoring the touchdown. He'll bring it back from inside his 5. Really disciplined job by the coverage.
Should have
unit
just
to
probably
get
let that
down
go
there and
back
make
into
the
the
stop
end
at
zone
the
there.
end.
Would have got 6
So
extra
New
yards.
Mexico State's offense will take the field for the first time. As we take a look at our impact players for this one, what are you looking for, Jesse, for a guy to make an impact?
Well, these are simply put the leaders of this football team, and generally
All right, here we go.
go how these guys play. If they make plays, then they've got a shot to win this one.
No doubt, they got to show up.
There we go.
These are the
Nice little
true
gain
leaders.
on the
These guys
run.
have to play well if
Let's see what else we got.
Good spot after that 7-yard pickup on first down. It's 2nd and 3. Looking for room. It's Watkins.
Oh, we're out of here, baby.
At the 40, there he goes. And they finally
We're
get
outta
him,
here.
but not before. He's got him set up
Oh,
for
man.
business
That was a
at
good
the
play.
49
That was a
yard
great
line.
play.
They'll run this play from the pistol.
I had that really good burst of
Hand off
speed.
to the lone back. You'll take this every time. 5 yards on the first down play.
And that's the problem with blitz.
Hit him with a pass play,
Live
changing
by
it
the
up for a
blitz,
minute.
You die by the blitz. Defense dialed up the pressure, but the offense had a better play call.
I'm gonna go with
They ran
A
it
or
away
Y.
from the blitz, and that's why they were able to be successful.
Got out of
There it
trouble,
is.
got rid of it. Got his man downfield.
Nice.
That is exactly what you're looking
Nice.
for when you talk
There we go.
explosive plays. The defense finally
There we
able
go,
to make a
baby.
stop. And the Aggies are moving quickly down the field.
Yes, we are. We're moving very nicely down the field. I'm thinking either B, A, or X.
To the air.
Let's see.
It's Hogan.
Hold on.
He's
There you
right
go.
on target. They'll get it down to the 8-yard line on that
RPO.
throw and catch, and the defense is backed up against the wall. Going to work in the red zone, they can't pick up the first down without getting it into the end zone.
Oh,
Can't make the grab as he was going for 6
I
right
tried.
there. They'd love to pick
I
up
tried on
this
that
third
one.
down and get a
Okay.
fresh set with first and goal. To the ground with the back. Gets behind those pads, picks up 4 on the play, but it's still a 4th down and 3.
I like the decision there in the RPO game too, guys. I know he only got a couple of yards, but that play's going to open up bigger opportunities throwing the football down the field in the RPO game too. So keep handing it off to this guy. Let him see what he can do. And when the defense gives you the look to hold the football and then finally throw
I don't know
it,
if this is gonna
that's
be a
when you
good
take it.
idea or not. I do not know if this is gonna be a good idea or not. Should we take the 3? Or do we want to risk it?
An unforced error there. They don't get the snap off in time.
Yeah, I did that on purpose. It's 5 extra yards. Big whoop.
The delay of game pushes the offense back.
Here we go.
Now on 4th down, they'll settle for a field goal try. He splits the uprights and puts 3 on the board.
I figured 3 was better than nothing. So, hey, you know,
After that last field goal
we'll see what
drive,
happens
they're
here.
set to kick it away.
Oh, I was
And
coming
it'll be
for
a
him.
touchback. The ball will
I
come
was
out
coming
to the
for him.
25-yard line. The offense lining up for a first down play.
Or do cover 1. We're gonna see how this does.
Looking for
But
a
they're just gonna
physical
run the
attack
ball
from
again,
the
aren't
gun.
they?
Crosses the 30 to the 31 and a 6-yard pickup.
Let's see.
I know it's sexy to throw the football, but if you
See
can
the
pound it
linebacker.
away and get these kind of games,
Linebacker
they will
blitz.
just add up, wear the defense down, get first downs, and ultimately get some points.
Here's the handoff.
I took the wrong gap.
Out of the crowd, and now he's got room.
Oh,
Oh, look out! He's at the 20. And he ran away from the defense to take it in. Touchdown, Cardinals!
all right. We need to get a touchdown.
And to have a rushing touchdown of that type of yardage, you've got to be able to make something miss. It's one thing to get into the second level, but can you make that last
I don't like- so,
defender miss? And you saw it
one
on
of the
that
things
play.
that I've
Once he
noticed
was in
about
the
this game
clear
is
with his speed, he
there
was
are
gone.
a lot
On the move from
of
inside
missed
his
tackles.
5.
A
Finds
lot.
just enough space to cross
No
the
matter what their
25, which
ratings
mark
are.
it at the 27-yard line. The New Mexico State offense returns to the field. Had
So
to
that's
settle for
rather
the chip
annoying.
shot field goal last time, Jesse. They'd love for this one to pay off bigger.
Yeah, it just comes down to execution, too. Did a nice job out in the field, stalled a little bit once they got down to the goal line, so they just need to be a little bit more crisp here, David.
Yeah, and listen, I think the first part was the most important part. You got to put the drop.
Open runway ahead.
There we go, baby.
They'll do more than move the
There we
chains.
go.
They'll move that thing more than 30 yards down the field
Let's
before it's
go.
finally stopped.
I know it's early in the game, but defensively after that
Let's
play,
go.
you know you have to tackle the catch. When this guy gets the ball in his hands, he is so dangerous after the fact. So it's okay for him to make catches. Just
That
gotta get him
cornerback's
to the
back
ground
off.
quickly.
Oh, dang
He
it.
drops the football. He had him right
Yeah,
down the gun of the field.
son of a
Instead,
gun.
it'll be second down.
All right, here we go.
Couldn't make the connection
Um,
last time.
I'm
Let's
thinking
see if they
A.
throw it again.
Possibly B.
To the air, it's Hogan.
Just kidding.
Makes the easy throw in the flat.
We need a touchdown. We need a touchdown, and I think the best way is maybe doing this one right here. I need something here. I need something. I need something. I need something. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
As they get set to snap it, just about to reach the end of the quarter.
It's gonna be the end of the quarter, so here we go.
Oh. In the red zone, it's Watkins. And with that stop, we are headed toward the end of the first quarter.
Okay. All right, not too bad. Not too bad.
How about these two running games so far? Dominance on the ground as we look at the first quarter stats.
Rush yards. Yeah, they got that big gain that they had last drive, man. That's
they've taken a punch, but they can't let it get out of hand as we start.
It's wild. I don't think we're gonna be able to do anything with that run. They got too many people inside the box, so we're gonna do this.
He's looking to throw. They're bringing heat.
Oh, and he failed to hang on to it. Oh man, failed to hang on to that one. Yeah, I don't really want a field goal. I feel like a lot of these are. There it is. Ah, 4th and 1. We're gonna have to go for it. We're gonna have to go for it. I can't. 6 to 14. It's not. It's not good.
I think a lot of times you trust your guy. You throw it to him and you say, I can make somebody miss or lower my shoulder and get to the sticks. The defense had none of that. Nice job.
There we go.
Nice job forcing the 4th down.
There we go. We're going to run that same play again. We just need a yard. We just need a yard. Push him. Push him. There we go.
That was a great example of a running back toting the rock with conviction. There's not a lot of time to hesitate.
There we go.
See a split second, you see a hole.
See, that's the kind of drive that we needed.
Nice job by the RB there.
That is the kind of drive that we needed. We're kind of back in the game now. We just need to get a stop on defense here.
And with the extra point, they cut the lead to 14-10. We check in with Kevin Connors. What's going on, Kevin?
Dynamite matchup this week, fellas. Let's show you what's going down. Washington is trailing right now, but I'm old enough to remember the 2001 season where UW won the Rose Bowl and nearly won a title. If that group could find a way, there's hope for this team. They're trailing by
They've been dominating us on the run, so.
We'll circle back if anything big happens.
There we go.
And how about that one? Kevin will be keeping an eye on everything going on.
I don't know.
It's so nice to know you can start off on 1st down with positive plays. Positive yards, hand the football.
Let's do this one here.
Set up a good 2nd down.
Solid pickup of 4 on 1st down. It's 2nd and 6. From the shotgun, they'll run.
That was a nice play. That was a good call. Okay, so let's see. I feel like we need to go maybe cover 1. I feel like they're not going to run the ball on 3rd down.
They'll move the running back to try to force the defense to adjust.
Oh, beautiful. That was a beautiful play on the defense. Yes. Yes. Now we need to get another stop.
You just got to be able to focus. And the critical down and distances in this game, like that 3rd down right there. When
Here we
it's a
go.
good throw, you got to
Here we
make
go.
the catch.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, I almost took it to the house, man. Oh, I almost took it to the house. Yeah. All right, here we go. We need a touchdown. Take that lead, baby. We need a touchdown to take the lead.
Not a lot of movement on that one. The defense in position.
Let's do double cross.
Offense all game long. We saw it on that last play as well. Just not getting enough push up front on the offensive line. They haven't been physical enough.
That pass is incomplete, and they're probably fortunate that it wasn't.
We're gonna have to, I don't want to feel. I can't. We can't take a field goal here. We can't take a field goal. There we go. There we go.
Let me tell you, this senior quarterback can flat fit it in a tight window. The Aggies have it with a 1st and 10. Leaves it with the back.
Come on, come on.
You'll take
All right,
4
4
yards on 1st
4
down
yards.
every time, 2nd and 6.
I'm thinking X or A, possibly B. No, yeah, possibly B. Maybe a Y out here on the
Dropping
flag.
back, it's Hogan. Pocket
Right
starts
there.
to collapse. He's got it.
Perfect.
Score! Touchdown, New Mexico State. The offense did exactly what it needed to do, getting the ball in field position like that.
It's that killer mentality.
All right, now we're up by a field goal. Oh, we'll be up by a field goal.
Opportunities like that, they are golden chances to put touchdowns on the board. The offense took care of business.
That was nice. That was nice.
Lining up
All right, here we
to
go.
another.
We're gonna get this field goal. Now we're up by 3.
And the extra point puts them up by a field goal.
There we go.
A very efficient 5-play
Not gonna lie,
drive.
I'm not so
And the score
stressed
comes
out right now.
12-yard touchdown pass.
The that definitely had me a little nervous when they were up, but now that we kind of came back a little bit, now we're up by 3. I feel like we're in a good spot now. I don't know if they're still gonna. I don't know if they're still gonna be trying their run game here, but we're ready. We're ready for it.
Drive, nothing really clicked. No rhythm. Got off the field really quickly. They need to put
We're ready for
something
the
together
run
here.
game.
Yeah, David, bad execution on that.
We're ready
last
for
drive,
it.
so
Come
they
on.
gotta take a collective
Here we go, right here.
breath and start playing like a unit on this one.
Oh,
Give
oh,
from the
oh,
gun.
oh, oh! Come on. All right.
He picks up maybe a couple before he stopped right
Yeah, and the running back didn't get much here, but you clearly want to always establish the tempo, run the football.
We're gonna look like we're blitzing.
Meet the challenge.
Ball sitting right
But we're
at
gonna
the
fall
30.
back.
It'll be 3rd and short. Trying to make that rush think on the draw play here.
I can't believe they
Love to
ran.
see these 3rd down
Uh-oh, we
conversions
got
on
an injury.
offense, and they're out to their own 39-yard line. Man down on the play as the
Oh,
officials take
no.
a break to let him be checked out.
Okay. We're gonna get cover 1,
Snap it from the
and we're gonna
39,
do the
1st
mid
and
blitz.
10.
We're gonna blitz.
From the shotgun, the inside give. He's knocked down in the back.
There we go. That's what we needed right there. That was a good stop. Cover 1 hole.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's why it's so important.
We're gonna
for
blitz
the
again.
defense to win these first downs, right? You want to create negative plays
Ah.
to make this offense so much more predictable.
2-minute warning.
We've reached
Okay.
the 2-minute warning, and we have ourselves a ball game, and they have a chance to take the lead here before the half. Here
Everybody's
comes the
covered.
offense on 2nd down.
Okay.
Softened him up with a run, and now to throw. The sure hands. It's
Come on,
Robinson.
get out. There we go.
And he'll step out of bounds after a very
Oh, Lord in
productive
heaven.
play. And that last completion left them short of the sticks. It's 3rd down.
We're gonna blitz again.
They'll try to pick up the first through the air. He finds his man. Lots of green grass as he gets it to the 30. This
okay.
offense lines up feeling
Let's see
awfully
here.
good
Let's
after
do
that
cover
big
2.
play.
Man. I don't think they're gonna run it.
They'll throw it on 1st down.
Oh,
And it's
interception.
intercepted. A turnover
Let's
for the defense.
go. Run.
Trying to
Run.
take it back.
Run. Let's go, baby.
He's at the
Take it to
40.
the house. Pick 6.
He's
Pick
at the
6.
20.
Woo!
And he's going to score on the interception. Touchdown, Aggie. What a play by this defense with the pick 6.
And how about the defender? Exactly what you're supposed to. Breaks on the football, makes the interception. Everybody on defense. We turn to offense.
That was a beautiful play.
So my guy can get it.
That was
and
a
take it back
beautiful
to
play.
the house.
Well, broke 1 tackle. And then it was just a foot race. Just a foot race after that. So let's do the I thought 16 was going to catch up to me. But we made it.
They'll try to add another to their lead.
There it is.
And with the extra point,
10
they
point.
push the lead out a little further.
10-point lead.
They're lining up have to kick it off after the pick six, and that defense will come out feeling it. And they thought about a return, then thought better of it. They'll bring it out to the 25. Ball State takes over the football, and the Cardinal offense.
I want to say that was a cover 2 man play that we had.
Have a chance to make this a one-possession game.
Oh,
So you
Lord.
gotta locate your best
That was a
players
big pass
and
play.
Get them the football on this run. You're down in
let's
the
see.
game. There's obviously a lot of football left, David, but on this drive, in this 2-minute
Let's do a
situation,
cover 2.
best players got to touch the ball.
And this could get into pressing mode, right? Like you go into the half, down a couple of scores, it starts to, the pressure really mounts. Good opportunity to take some of that pressure off, get some momentum, energize this squad going into
Let's see what we can do here. Come on. Let's see what we can do.
Gets it out quickly.
Boom!
And he broke one tackle on the way to a solid pickup there. Let's see what they've got on second down.
This quarterback right
I'm
now
gonna do a cover 2
he's
invert.
doing a nice job in pre-snap. He's reading the coverage and he's getting an idea.
Headed to the end zone. And
See, that was my fault.
House it.
I hate that you can't pick up the players. You just press the B button and you can just it automatically assigns you to the nearest player.
Like they got the touchdown, they cut into the lead. You want to get a stop and go into the half.
All right, now we need to get a field goal or a touchdown.
The passing game's rolling. We got this. The comebacks in full.
Need to get one of
He'll start
those.
return inside his spot. Really disciplined
19.
job by the coverage unit to
Alright,
get
we're
down
gonna hit
there,
levels.
stop at the 19.
I'm gonna see what kind of look they
Aggies
give us
offense
here.
will have another go at it. They've got some time to work with here, Jesse, and if they get a first down, they might really get aggressive.
I'd be aggressive right out of the gate. I'd be throwing for a first down. If I get it,
There we
just
go.
pedal to the metal. I'm in
There
that
we go.
2-minute mode to
We're
try to
going.
score a touchdown
We're going.
downfield.
We're
But I
going.
do think this is a situation where you also have to understand that I have the lead going into the half. I've got the momentum, so don't do anything stupid here.
I'm thinking X. If you can cut that back in like that. There we go. Hit timeout. You know what? No. We're not gonna timeout. We'll do that.
You can tell they've thrown this a time or two. Nice job, nice success.
Back to pass, it's Hogan. And that's going to fall to the ground incomplete. That was a physical matchup there. Third down.
Okay, we're gonna do a halfback slam, get this first down,
First down.
and then we'll huddle up.
Muscling ahead on third and short.
Oh, there we go.
Now
Hurry up,
they're
hurry up,
really
hurry up, hurry up.
starting to threaten as they
Slants.
pick up the first down at the
Oh God,
34
we're not gonna get
line.
there.
Looking to move it through the air.
Dang
He
it.
can't find his man, and the clock stops with 6 seconds left.
I think we have time for one more play.
Just
I wanna.
enough
I
time
would
for
like
one
to try and
final
get in the
play
middle of the
this
field,
half.
make this field goal a little bit easier.
Using his legs, it's Washington.
There we
Past
go.
the first down
Touch.
marker and still
Timeout.
running. The offense calls a
There we go.
timeout to stop
That's
the clock.
perfect.
The offense stays
No.
on the field with just a couple of tick-tocks left on
Oh
the clock.
no. I forgot. Oh, I hate that you can't call double timeout. Oh no. This is gonna be bad.
The
Shoot.
receivers often will run their route based on a side adjustment.
And then here we go.
Throws toward the end zone.
Yeah, we should have
Pass
took.
is incomplete, and half comes to
That
a
was my
close
bad.
on
I
that
thought I
play.
forgot I was
We
not
played
on
two
coach's
quarters here.
suggestions.
Time to go to Kevin
That
Collins
was
and
my
our
bad.
halftime update.
That could.
Thanks, guys.
That could have.
Looks like it's been a terrific scene there
That might
today
cost us the
in
game
Las
if
Cruces.
they get
And
a
the
touchdown or
Cardinals will
something.
kick it away to start the second half.
We're just gonna let that fall in the end zone.
That ball scoots through the back of the
Oh,
end zone.
Lord.
It'll be a touchback.
Let's go back to coach's
The New
suggestions here.
Mexico State offense returns to the field. The drive starts from their own 25-yard line.
I'm not a big fan of any of those plays. So we're gonna do it inside. We're gonna run.
He'll start this third quarter with a run.
Here we go.
He showed it all there. A little elusiveness, a little power, and he's got the first down.
Halfback counter.
Big chunk play to start this drive.
See if we can,
Now they'll
break this
really
one.
try to take it to this defense.
Yeah. There we go.
Right back
Oh.
to the well. He's dropped
Nope.
behind the line of
That's not
scrimmage.
gonna work.
That'll be a loss of 3. Last play was a near
Oh,
disaster.
come on.
Now dealing with 2nd and 13.
I don't like any of those. Let's do slants. Maybe. Maybe.
Back to pass, it's Hogan.
There we go.
Finds a soft spot in the middle. They bring him down, but a solid pickup to put them in position to pick up a first
All right,
down.
we need to get this first down here.
Passing game very effective on
We need
second
this
down.
first
What about
down.
here on third?
Let's see.
From the gun, wants to pass. Fires on the move. Can't make the connection. The pressure there causes
I got nervous.
New Mexico State will be forced to punt.
I know this offense came
Oh,
out here in the
running
second
into the
half
kicker.
hoping to build on their one possession lead, but after that incompletion, I think the smart thing is to just kick it away.
We'll take it.
here and let your defense
Running
play
into
and
the
try
kicker.
to get it back to you without giving up any points.
Oh, roughing the kicker. That's even better.
The officials offer the deal, and the coach accepts it. They will take the penalty. Man, oh man, those types of penalties just drive defensive coordinators crazy. Was 4th down, now first down.
Oh, I should have.
Incomplete. Very lucky that one wasn't picked off. And man, could they have
That's
used
very
that?
lucky.
It'll be 2nd down. Couldn't make the connection last time. Let's see if they throw it again. Looking to pass on 2nd down.
Oh my gosh.
He almost
Why
had
did
the
I?
pick, and that
I
could
should have
given them a
floated
boost
it in there.
instead. It'll
I
be
thought I
3rd
did.
down.
Yeah, nice coverage, and you'd like to snag that interception, but there's always a reason why these thoroughbred athletes play defense. It's usually because of their lack of hands, like you just saw.
And sure, tackling there to keep him from getting to the first down marker. And here comes the field goal unit for the 2nd time tonight.
Come on.
No good. Guys, a missed opportunity there. The lead is still 3.
All right, they're gonna run. I
Maybe
just.
coming into this game,
Hopefully they
touchdowns
run.
are going to be real hard to come by going up against this defense. So when you got opportunities to kick field goals, you've got to come away with 3 points. You're not going to get these chances.
And they're on him in a heartbeat, and
There
down
we
he
go.
goes.
Oftentimes with play action, you're asking the quarterback to hold on to the ball a bit longer, and you're asking
That
this
was-
offensive line to hold up and pass pro a bit longer.
That
Against
was a
this
great
athletic
play.
front seven on defense, it's going to be tough.
On the move. They'll knock him down after a 6-yard gain to the 27. Ball's at the 27. This offense facing
Come on,
a
come on, come on,
3rd
come on,
and
come on. Let's
long.
go.
Dropping back, it's Kelly. Unloads it left. And he intercepts it.
Let's go. That's our 2nd interception of the game, baby. Come on. Let's go. You can't mess with us. You can't mess with us.
Perfect coverage and a great job in the back end, reading and reacting to the quarterback when the ball was
I'm gonna
in
do
the
an
air,
audible.
coming away
I want
with that
him.
massive interception.
Do that one. So that way, hopefully, we get one-on-one.
Looking to go up top on 1st down. Completes it in the middle.
There we go.
And
That's a
good
game.
coverage by the
It's a
defense,
completion.
just a short gain. Using him out of the slot, he has just been unstoppable.
And I love putting dynamic athletes in the slot that I can move around, that I can put in motion, that I can make him go in or out. I can put him off the ball so you can't get hands on him, and they've really featured this
Come on.
guy today.
Ah.
They make the tackle, but he's
That'll
got
work.
a fresh set of downs.
That'll
and it's
work.
1st and goal from the 7.
Great job by the quarterback thrown against zone coverage. You cannot telegraph where you're throwing the football. You cannot eyeball wide receivers. So great job by the quarterback using his eyes, not staring
Come
down his
on.
guy. And then throwing
We're
the
gonna
ball.
try another run play here.
Keep
See
pushing
if
forward. Now back to work on 2nd and goal from the 6. They'll run it up the middle here, looking for a path to the end
come
zone.
on.
He bullies his way all the way down to the 5-yard line. This defense was put in a difficult spot, but they've made it tough, and now the offense faces 3rd and goal. Excellent coverage and good use of the hands to knock it away. And on 4th down, here comes the field goal unit.
3rd and short in college football today, you see so much.
We gotta take the points, man. We gotta take the points.
And I think they stay aggressive because they know they're in field goal range. They got that 3 in their back pocket.
So the kickoff team is out there ready to boot it away after putting up a field goal. Let's see what the defense can do. Stopped at the 17, and he's probably second-guessing that.
Let's see.
Ball State gets it back. The offense headed to the field. After throwing the pick on the last drive,
I feel like they won't be very conservative.
We're going to find out a lot about this quarterback right here, too. How does he fight
There we
through
go.
adversity after that last drive?
Yeah, clear the mechanism, move on. That's a part of it, right? You can be a great player. You got to learn how to handle
They're only
these
down by
mistakes.
6 points, so I feel like they may run again.
Motion from the offense. Little touch pass to the receiver.
There we
He's
go.
there to make the stop, and they
That's
threw
good.
it in
Good call.
reverse, losing yardage on that play.
Let's do the cover 2. Hit zone. We're doing a lot of man, so let's switch it up a bit. We've been doing a lot of man.
The speed of this wide receiver in different ways they were going to try to get him involved. Everybody on defense on the same page, playing together.
And we left a big old gap right there. That is crazy. Oh my gosh.
They're out to their own 39-yard
Oh Lord, we had him
It's just
stopped
so
too.
hard to stop. There is no rhyme. There is no reason. He just scrambles around, makes people miss, and the next thing you know, you look up and he's 20, 30 yards down the field. There's nothing you can do about it.
Picked up 2
That's
yards
insane.
on that last one. They need 8 on second down. To the air, it's Kelly.
Oh,
He really needed
another
to hold
almost
on to that one, but
interception.
it was not loose, and
Oh,
third down is coming.
that would have been a great.
They line up, and it is a
That would have been a
long
great
way to
play
the sticks
for the
from here.
defense, man. Our defense has been
Third
helping
and
us
long,
out
and he'll
big
try to throw
time.
for it. Fires to the tight end.
Come on.
They've got it
Oh
to the
my.
49-yard line, and they'll move the chains. The Cardinals
He
are
was.
on the
He
move.
had to be short.
Ever since they invented
Can we challenge that?
pass, the tight
This
ends
was-
have been
I'm not that
running the
confident in
drag
it,
and
though.
getting the first down.
I think it's because the tight ends is so much versatility. You know, they can block and stay in the formation, or they can release and come out.
Oh,
But either way,
man.
the quarterback's patient. Most of the time, that drag route's going to come open.
Looking for a gap. It's Horton. They make the stop at the 37, but not before he's got 10 yards and the first down.
Yeah,
Time
we're
winding
gonna have
down
to
in the
blitz.
quarter as they come to the line.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Running back searching for a hole.
There we go.
And they get him on the ground, and that'll probably do it for the third quarter. If you like old school running
Man, this
games,
is a,
this has been the game
an
for
actually
you,
pretty
and a
good game
couple of
here
guys who
we got going
starred
on.
Through the first 3 periods. Not only is the scoreboard on their side, but so too is time as we open the fourth.
Second and
this will
9.
be the 9th play of the drive. Been showing them the run. Now they'll throw it. Got his man quickly. And he's able to shed
3rd and
one
inches. They're
tackle.
definitely gonna run. So we're gonna do.
I love offenses and quarterbacks that are willing to take the easy stuff. Take those easy throws that are guaranteed to get positive yards. Yeah, I'm going to take big shots.
Do a
down the
safety
field,
blitz.
too. But don't forget, it's easier to pick up 2nd and 5, 3rd and 5.
Probably
than
gonna
it is
regret
to
this
those
later.
long yardage situations.
They're going to go to the air on 3rd and short. Snags it.
Oh,
Takes it to the house. Touchdown Cardinals.
we were there on that
This
one.
dude is just slicing
there.
and dicing this defense into little tiny pieces.
Carving him up, completely comfortable, knows exactly what he's getting, had so much success
Ugh.
today. You got to find a way to make these quarterbacks feel more uncomfortable.
Oh,
It's a battle in the Beaver State today. A lot of green, a lot of orange in the stands.
We're not gonna return that. We'll let it bounce into the
State
end
have
zone.
at it, and here's the latest. Oregon overcame a tough opponent, and not only that, a raucous crowd. The Ducks tuned out all the noise and showed this team can win on its field, your field, or a neutral field.
Oh.
Intercepted. Takes it the other way. Inside the 10. Touchdown Ball State. How
That's
about
game.
that D coming up with a play like
That's
that?
game.
And
That was the,
linebackers are so athletic nowadays in college football. They can play man on running backs and tight
That was
ends
just a
and all
bad
over the
pass
field.
on my
How about
part.
The linebacker making the athletic interception and then showing you he could be a running back, taking it all the way back to the house for a touchdown.
Here he comes from inside his own 5. Not a lot of space to be found. Good hustle by the coverage team, and they stop him at the 21.
That was just a bad play on my
Aggies
part.
offense will have another go at it. The big thing now, don't get rattled by that last pick 6, David.
Nah, it was a big mistake.
Fires into traffic, picked off.
Oh my God.
They get him on the ground after the turnover, but there is a flag on the field, and we'll see if that will be a
Man, we got
reprieve for
bailed
this
out on
offense.
that.
Oh,
Bailed
man,
out.
thought he had the interception, but the official rules gained too much of an advantage, so wave off the turnover, give up the yardage, it'll be first down. Cross the 30 out to the 33 and gains 4 on the play.
Small gain, I know, but again, the defense knows he's going to run the football. He's willing to run the football, not just drop back and pass, make him honor the run game. You got to do a lot of this.
Good pickup.
Make
on
them
the
honor
ground.
the
They'll
run
mark
game,
him down
baby.
at the 39. New Mexico State lines up quickly. On 3rd and short, they'll ride the running back here. To the 43-yard line and a first down for this offense.
Well, I think this running back has proven this game here tonight that he can be counted on and relied on, right? In a big moment right here, late in the game when they need to run the ball
Come on.
to ice this thing, he's able to deliver.
Offense gets set for 2nd down.
This is the moment for this offense to put a drive together. It doesn't matter what's happened up to the point of this game, but you're trailing right now. You've got to put some
I had to
points
get
up
rid
on
of
the
it.
board. This is where all
I had to
11
get rid of
guys
it.
need to be playing together as well.
That pass is incomplete, and they might be fortunate it wasn't knocked free for a fumble. It'll be 3rd down.
Right there. Right there.
He makes the connection. At the 35, he's
Let's
loose.
go.
And they got the
Let's
defense
go.
on that one, and they get it to the 29-yard line. This New Mexico State offense is pushing all the right buttons. Going up top on 1st down. He's got it.
Come on.
Nice pitch and
Oh,
catch there, and
man.
they'll have enough for the 1st down. Looks as if we have an injury on that last play, and we'll take a break to check him out. From the red zone, looking for a receiver. And good coverage there to knock it away and
Cuh.
score. After the misconnection, it's
Come on,
2nd
baby.
down.
Let's go.
Yeah, and that's nice coverage. He's taking a shot, trying to throw the ball to the end zone. Maybe put that thing up a little bit higher where his guy can go up and make a play and come down. Nice job by the defender.
If we can make a touchdown before the 2-minute warning, that would be a phenomenal.
Boy, they'd love to move the sticks here and take a shot at it on 1st and goal. Makes the catch.
There we go.
And they'll stop him inside the 5, but the defense is backed up in the shadow of its own goalpost. And guys, this offense has a couple of jobs. The first one, get the touchdown. Then they'll need the 2 to tie here in the 4th. To throw, it's Hogan. He's got it. He's down at the 1, and they almost had the touchdown pass on that one. They've done a really good job creating the matchups they want out of the slot.
Yeah, dude, get that guy matched up on.
And
There
he
we go.
takes it in for the score. Touchdown, New Mexico State.
Man, I tell you what, great job by this offense, great execution. You drive down the field, you get the score. Now what's your 2-point play? You practiced it all week. What's your go-to in this moment, late in the 4th quarter? when
Interception.
You need the 2-point conversion.
Intercepted.
God damn it.
He's at the 50. He's at the 30. The 10. He just set sail for the end zone after the pick and turns it into a 2-point return. About to kick it off, punching it in for the touchdown. And he's going to try to return this one. That gamble did not pay off as they bring him down at the 12-yard line.
They're going to try to run out the clock.
State takes over the football and the Cardinal offense headed out. So we've got
That's what I would do.
spot here, David. They'd love to run out the clock, but all those timeouts staring at them.
Man, they got 3 timeouts on defense, but I know a 1st down ends this.
And we have the
football game.
2-minute
So
warning.
I gotta get my guys physical, ready to roll.
Yeah, because you know this defense is going to be playing the run. They're going to be loading the box, trying to get tackles, using their timeouts to get the football back. So this is going to come down to who's better in the trenches.
They bring him down, and he's going to lose a yard on that one.
Yeah, it's a nice job by this defense. Obviously backed up against it. Time running out. Gotta get the football back. 2 good plays. Now 3rd down. I stay aggressive. Have to come after him. If they decide to throw the football, so be it. But stay aggressive. Get that football back for your offense.
Running with power.
There we go. Timeout.
And he's not going to get there. The defense stands tall and makes the stop. Defense uses the timeout quickly,
Oh,
trying
this
to
is gonna
get that
be
ball back
this
and
is gonna be the
preserve time
drive,
for their offense.
ladies and gentlemen, to see
And
if
the
not
Cardinals
we
will
can
bring the punt team
get
onto
the
field.
W.
This will be the second time they've had to kick it away. On the return, it's Watkins. And they'll get him on the ground as the offense comes
got a
out
minute
to
and
start the
5.
next drive.
And I'm
The
going to
New
do something
Mexico
that's
State
super
offense returns to the field.
unorthodox here. We're gonna run a goal line run. We're gonna hit a goal line run.
Position too, Reese. Don't let the moment get too big. Play within yourself, David, because this guy's
Golly.
practiced the situation before.
No doubt. Use the sidelines. They're your friend. I don't have to take deep shots. Throw beyond the first down marker so I can stop that clock for a little bit and possibly use my timeouts.
Dropping back, it's Hogan. Zings it complete to the right. He's
Okay,
close to the first
huddle,
down.
hurry,
They're
inside
running
zone.
just a little
Let's get that
short.
run.
IndyCar tempo as they head to the line for this third down play. Clock running.
Oh my God! I ran right to him, dude.
The clock is
Oh my
relentlessly
God, oh my
working
God.
against them. Down 4. They'll go for it on fourth down. They'll try it on the ground. And he'll be taken down, but he does have enough for the first down. New Mexico State lines up quickly. Lost a throw on first down. Makes the grab down the middle. They get the timeout call with 7 seconds left on the clock.
It's gonna be our first
They'll
loss of the
line
game.
up
Here
for
we
a
go.
second down play.
Oh my God.
He's looking to throw. He'll take a shot. And good coverage and better hands by the defender to knock it down in the end zone. Here comes third and short from the 27. This defense trying to make them settle for a field goal. Looking to throw for it. Going back to the well, another deep ball. He knocked it away. Incomplete.
That's a good game.
Saved the game as this one is over. Scoreboard operator got a workout in this one. Fun game for us to watch, but they can't come up with a W.
Yeah, and it's a team game, right? The offense did their job, and now defense will have to find a way in the future to
At least it
make
wasn't
better
a
plays,
conference
get
loss.
stops, and stop them scoring so many points, especially when your offense
Oh
does their job.
man, that
And we
was
see a lot of
crazy.
games like this
That
in
was a
college
good game.
football when both offenses are just trading blows back and forth, and it just comes down to which defense
That
can
was a
get
good game.
stop. And unfortunately for the
They
losing
definitely
team,
had our
they just were
number.
not able to get it done.
That's going to do it for us from here. For Jesse Palmer, David Pollack, I'm Reese Davis, and this has been
Well, we
another
suffered our first loss,
presentation
guys.
of EA Sports College Football.
We had 19 first downs, 385 total offense. We were 2 for 2 on fourth down conversions, 6 of 13 third down conversions. Fortunately, those third down conversions probably is what killed us. Oh, we got to advance to the next week and see who we're playing. If we get a bye or not, I can't remember. Everything's looking pretty good on the recruiting side. Everything's looking fine. Player of the week. That's cool. Sam Houston. We're playing Sam Houston. All right, let's see. Let's go to our team schedule here. Who are we playing? We beat Liberty, lost to Ball State. We play Sam Houston, New Mexico, Jacksonville State, Louisiana Tech, FIU, Western Kentucky, Rice, Middle Tennessee, and UTEP. So there's going to be some pretty good football games here. Everybody that we're playing against is not too shabby. All right. Well, guys, thanks so much for checking out the video. We're going to take a peek here at the top 25 rankings. Texas, Ohio State, Oregon, Ole Miss, Alabama, Florida State, Georgia with their one loss already. We're definitely not going to be making the top 25. Oh, man. But thanks, guys, so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. If you guys are, man, drop a like on the video. Give a thumbs up. We will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.